Good morning. I'm here with Jasper. Christmas and July sales are coming, so good time to have a little bit of inspiration. This is a piece that was completely the idea of a friend of mine. She came up with the whole concept. I only made one because I feel like this is her design and I don't want to, take it from her. This is a Santa, and he has an inner tube with a reindeer on it. What I used was a small gourd for the head and a larger egg gourd for the body. And then the material that I used to make the arms, this is called, my mind is drawing a blank. This stuff. What's it called? So first I made eyebrows, and then a nose, and then a mustache, and then his bad hairline, and then arms, and then the inner tube, and the reindeer and his feet. So this is called Quickwood, and it comes in a tube like this. It's not horrifically expensive, but I'm pretty careful with it. Normally there's a label in there, but I always take the labels out so that I can see how much I have, because I will end up with several tubes that look like this that are partially used, and that way I can see how much I've got left in that one, and I'm really careful to seal them back up. And there are a couple razor blades there that I use for cutting it. So this, I probably used, I think, a half a tube of Quickwood, maybe a whole tube of Quickwood on this guy. But he was just so much fun to make. Look at all those little toes. So I hope you find some inspiration for some gourd ornaments and pieces for your own Christmas in July sales. I'm really looking forward to it. I've got the campers, I've got Santas, I'm ready. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links to everything below.